Hello, people. So, today I am back with the new topic reports and dashboard in Salesforce admin. And I, Smriti Sharma, welcome you all. So, let's start the today's topic. So, what is a Salesforce report? Okay, a report is a list of data generated based on a filter criteria. Whatever criteria you are putting on the filter, it will be generating the data as per that. And that is what a report is. Salesforce reports helps us predict trends and give us the advantage to increase the profits. Basically, the reports are used in the sales version of the Salesforce, many other versions as well, but yeah, basically on the sales, so that to predict the trends and to increase the profits, we are checking on the continuous basis that what are the advantage, like what are the profits last month, this month, what is the difference between the profits, loss, discounts, anything. We can use a report. Admin can create report quickly and can schedule the reports. Admin can quickly create the reports and they can schedule as per the requirements. Now there are total four type of reports: tabular reports, summary report, matrix reports, and joint reports. So what is a tabular reports? Tabular reports, as it says, it is simple listing of data without any subtotals. This type of reports provide you most basically to look your data. Okay, if you want to look a basic form of a data, then you can use a tabular report. Tabular report is just a simple list of records and a grand total. Okay, so for example, list of contacts, list of opportunities, these type of reports can be fitted into a tabular reports. Second is summary report. Summary report is what this type of reports provide a listing of data with groupings and subtotals. Okay, here groupings are also done. Use summary report when you want subtotals based on the value of a particular field, or when you want to create a hierarchical group report, such as sales organized by year and then by a quarter. So if you want to differentiate between a sales organized by year and then by a quarter, then you can use a summary report because it will make a group of data and a subtotal of it. For example, all opportunities from your team subtotal by sales stage and by a owner. Okay. Now, third is matrix report. What is a matrix report? This type of reports allow you to group records both by a row and by a column. Like a matrix, it is grouping the records as per the row and as per the column. A comparison of related totals with totals by both row and column. Okay, so it is basically making a comparison of all the related totals by the total of row and column. Use matrix report when you want to see data by two different dimensions that aren't related, such as date and a product. Okay. For example, summarize opportunity by month vertically and by account horizontally. Okay, so if you want to make a report where a summary of opportunities are made according to the month vertically and according to the account horizontally. So that is what a matrix report is. Joint report is blocks of related information in a single report. Okay, in a single report, it is basically showing us the data of more than one reports. That is what a joint report is. This type of reports enable you to adopt 5 different blocks to display different type of related data. Each block can own unique columns, summary fields, formula, filters, and sort order. Okay. Use joint report to group and show data from multiple report types in different view. As I told you that if you want to see the data from more than one report, if you want to see the data from the multiple reports, then this joint reports is used. For example, you can build a report to show opportunity as well, case and activity data for your accounts. Okay. So that's why a joint report is used. So this type of question is basically asked in the interview as well. So you can know that what type of reports it will be there. Okay. Now creating the Salesforce reports, these are the points you can just go by it. Once I will let you know on the org that how you can create the reports, and then you can go point by pausing the screen and just you can read it out. I will not waste the time on reading these points. Okay, I've just created it so that you can go through it. So these are the two slides for the creating the reports. Okay. Now, what is a dashboard? Dashboard is the graphical representation of the data generated by a report or multiple reports. So, what is a dashboard? Dashboard is basically a graphical or a pictorial representation of the data which a report is creating, because report is just creating the data. But if you want to see data in a more graphical form, in a more pictorial form, then that time you can use the dashboard. Okay, dashboard will show it in the pie chart, in the graphs, any form they can show you. Okay, so dashboard component type can be charts, table, gauges, metrics, or other component that you can create with Visualforce. Okay, now let's go to the org, and there I will explain you how to create the reports. Okay, so now we are into record this. One second. Okay, so this is the Salesforce org. What we will do is you can just search reports from here. Okay, so this is the report column. I can create a new report. I'm clicking on new report. So I am just creating a report for opportunity, for examples. Okay, so I will be choosing this report type name as opportunities, and then click on start report. Okay, so now you can see that this is a report which has been created automatically. Okay, they have chosen according to itself, but I can choose my own columns here. For example, I don't want this opportunity role. I just want opportunity owner, account name, opportunity name, stage. Okay, official period I don't need, amount I need, expected revenue I need, probability I need, age need, close date, okay, created date, next time I don't need, lead source I don't need, and type also I don't need. Okay, so as you can see that through this column you can just whatever columns you want to see, you can just filter out that column. So this is the report which has been created. Okay, and what we can do is we can save this. If you will click on save, it will say what name you want to give to your report. So I would like to give it as opportunity uh, test report. Okay, test report 1, because I will be creating 2 reports. So this is opportunity test report 1. I will click on save. So this report has been saved. Okay, once it is saved, you can just save and run. Save is already done, so I can click on save and run. Now this report has been created. Okay, now this is the if the report is created, you can see that we have the option of enable field editing as well. So once you are enabled this, you can edit some of the options, not everyone, but for example this stage you can just edit. Okay, and this account name you can edit, opportunity owner you cannot edit. Okay, and the probability also not, it cannot be edited. The close date can be edited as per the like whatever close date of this opportunity can be, so you can edit it and then you can save. So this field editing enabled will help you to enable some fields. Okay, now from here also you can add it to dashboard, but I will show you in the different manner how to create a dashboard and how to add the reports to that. Okay, so it has total 12 records. Now let me go back 1 second. So I will go to report builder, and you can see the report is created. Recent, it is already there, opportunity test report 1, but I am checking in all reports. So if you see created on, I am putting filter on that. So see, if I have just put it in the decreasing order, this is the report which I have created. Okay. So let me create one more report. I will be creating two reports. Okay. So one more record I will be creating for accounts and contacts and accounts. Okay. So start report. Now you can see that it is not showing the report because there are so many records here. So what we can do is from the filter also we can put some of the filters. For example, it is showing that created date on or after 4th September. So let me select first all accounts and all time. Okay, so it will show a report, a long report, and then I will put a any filter. For example, account name. Okay, account owner, it is already selecting. Account name. So I have just put the filter as per my account. So all my accounts are here. It is showing as per my account. So this is the latest report which we have got. So through filters, you can apply the filter as well. Okay. And one more thing. Okay. So this is what it is. And I can just save it. It will be account report test 2. Okay. I'm just saving it. And then again, you can edit it if you want anything to be edited, and then you can save and run. Now, if I again go to report builder, you can see the two reports which I have created are present here. Okay. So this is how the report is created. Okay. Now I will show you about the dashboard. Okay. So here also we have the options. If you see add to dashboard and then again add to dashboard. So let me go to here and click on add to dashboard for one of the reports. Let's see what happens here. Okay. So it is saying add to existing. There are existing dashboards as well as you can create a new dashboard as well. So test, it's test new dashboard. Okay. Add. Okay, so here also we have created it. As you can see that from here also we can just create a dashboard. But now you can see that these are all disabled here. Okay, I cannot do that. Okay, so one thing we have to do, we have to go back and let me show you what we have to do so that these options are available and you can see the report as per your, because this is just the default which you are able to look right now. But I just want to open up all these, so we have to do a little bit setting for that. So let me go to again reports. What I will do is I will go to the report. Okay, and edit it. Add group I can create by, for example, group rows. You have to just do the group rows and group columns. Last modified by. Okay. So these are the two things which I am doing currently. I am just grouping by and then I will save it and save and run. Okay. Again, I will go to report viewer. Sorry. Report test 2 also. For this also I will be doing it. Edit. I will add the group thing. Created by and last modified by. Now save and run. Okay. Now let me go to dashboards. So from here also you can go dashboards. Okay, so again I have came to dashboard. So here you can just create new dashboard. Click on new dashboard. So again you can click a new dashboard. I am creating account test dashboard hash new. Okay. So this has been created. Again, I will be adding the components to that. Now you can see that when I have clicked on component, I can see my both reports here. So let me create for accounts first. So now you can see that when I have added that group things, all the display as is being enabled, which was disabled earlier. So you can see here that reports we can choose as per we want. Like this is the another form. This is another form. This is another form. Okay. This is in the form of another form. Now this is in the digit form. This one, this one, this one. So isn't it amazing? You are able to view the data as per the different views. Now, so why we did that thing that we added the group by thing? Because through x-axis and y-axis it is taking it. For example, detail it is showing, see, created by what I have chosen there, right? And the last modified by. You can see that. So it is basically taking the x-axis and y-axis record. Until unless you will take, you will not be able to view that in different display options. Okay. Now it can, you can create a sort by according to created by or record account. Okay, so these are the total maximum groups displayed. If you want, you can decrease it as well. Okay, and now when you clicked on add, it got added here. So let me add the second report as well. Second report I will show here in this format. Okay, so you can just see that I have in dashboards, I have added these two reports, and here you can see the data as well. Okay, so now you can just save it. So this dashboard has been saved. So whenever you want to look at the reports of any of the dashboard, you can create your report and you can add as per your requirement. You can create a dashboard and you can just open that and you can view your data. Okay. So this is, as I have clicked on done. So this is a beautiful dashboard which has been created. You can edit it, you can subscribe it. This is the subscription which you can add here. Okay, save as, download also can be done. So when you click on download, what is happening is, so you can look it offline also, you can review it. See, this is a beautiful picture for the downloads as well. So this is what this report and dashboard is. I think this is enough for today's session. You can just go through it. You can play around on your Salesforce org and you can try to create reports as well as different type of reports as well. This is only the different type of reports. So you can just go with this and let me know in the comment section if you have any of the doubts. I can just clear that on replying on to that. And also please like my video. If you like this video, please press like and comment and subscribe the channel. Okay. And till then, thank you so much. I will be back for another session, and also press the bell icon so that you get to know whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you so much.